Introducing LFA's desktop tablet press range. Desktop tablet presses are cost-effective, convenient and easy to use single punch presses that allow you to produce high quality tablets without major investment. Our TDPs range from hand-powered presses up to powerful motor-powered presses with advanced electronic controls with a whole array of safety features. Easily maintained, our tablet presses are simple to use, allowing you to easily change the tooling, giving you the options to change the shape and size of your tablets. The TDP range consists of the TDP 0, the TDP 1.5, the TDP 5, the TDP 6S, and the DTP range. Small and lightweight compared to rotary tablet presses, the TDP range is perfect for companies developing new formulas, research, pharmaceutical, foodstuff, and other industries that require moderate quantities of high quality tablets. All of LFA's desktop tablet presses come with a 1-year warranty and lifetime customer support, as well as free training. For more information on the TDP range, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.